Hi.
Hey, I'm Kelly and I'm the chef. Got my badge here on my vest. I've been riding and roping and making friends. Some say I'm the best in the West. We're singing yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay, yeehaw, in Chef Kelly's Wild West. Yeehaw. We're singing yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay, yeehaw. Saddle up and ride on in. You're dancing, Hannah. Learn what it means to be a friend.
Oh, you should be watching Dolly Parton, Hannah.
That was that enough.
I think what's got to happen, that video has to go on Facebook.
Me singing Shirley
Yes.
Crowley, that's horrible, don't do that.
This is tidy enough.
Huh?
I would sing it, but I don't know the song. Singing yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay.
She loves all the songs in that though. Whenever they sing, they're always singing like.
Is it kind of a country feel to it?
Yeah, it's a Wild West.
It's Sheriff Kelly.
Oh,
I'm
yeah. Oh, yeah.
pretty
it's
sure
all
that
good.
Hannah's pretending to hoover.
Well, I don't know where she's
She's
going to
never
that
seen
from.
it.
She doesn't see that happen much.
No, Josh had did
Josh
it
does it as well.
Day. He'd have probably
Josh, do you like it too?
We'll have to get the Hoover out for you.
It doesn't really dance. Oh
You're
dear.
desperately trying to get...
Hi, yippee-yi-yo, yeah, yeah, yeah.
She doesn't know that tune.
Whoa! Yeah! It's like singing in the
I've
rain.
never seen Hannah do that. Josh does it all
Josh
the
does it
time.
all the time, yeah. I was just like doing it.
No, Hannah. Hannah. No.
Hannah!
Do not touch that.
It makes no difference to volume.
I'm singing in the rain.
What does happen if you're shouting at Hannah, Josh gets upset, but if you're shouting at Josh, he doesn't care.
See, but just shout at the one you don't want.